Car wobbles like hula hoop on espresso. Customer still commutes. Customer drove it in like this. Why physics allows this is mystery. AC switch triggers under hood. Mariachi band free concert. Wheel sings friction lullaby during gentle cruise. Customer claims he can fix claims swap, bearing only no scam allowed. Electric door plays dead, refuses to slide open. Indeed door is stubborn like teenager. Attempt to flash into cooperation. Still acts like moody toddler. I perform miracle, call me door whisperer. Customer installed some parts himself, red flag incoming. Now chassis plays maracas soundtrack. Customer says replacement impossible, mission declined. Gearbox actually exploded into modern art sculpture. Customer reports brakes work only in imagination. Customer just fitted brand new discs, pads, and drums. Celebration mode. Fresh brake drum bonus item. Every wheel received new jewelry. Calipers swap left to right. Bleeders now point downward. Gravity wins. Low speed noise complaints incoming. Bearing cage escaped. Customer wired it with coat hanger. Mac Jiver approved. Tech suggests new class. Customer says class is optional. Customer says ignore windshield, we drive by faith.